Hello and welcome to the Bigger Brains course, OneDrive in 30 Minutes. My name is Chip Reeves. I'm a Microsoft partner and an IT consultant with over 25 years of experience helping businesses and individuals use technology more effectively. OneDrive is a powerful app to help you manage your documents, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for people who want to manage their files and documents using the features of their business or personal OneDrive account. We'll start by discussing the concept of cloud storage and how OneDrive differs from other cloud storage options. Next, we'll look at different methods of accessing OneDrive and navigating the OneDrive web interface. From there, we'll use the My Files view to manage our files and documents. We'll also look at how to recover deleted files and folders from the recycle bin. Then we'll access and manage version history from multiple locations. We'll finish by discussing the unique features and relationship between OneDrive, SharePoint, and Microsoft Teams. By the end of this course, my hope is that you'll be confident in using your business or personal OneDrive account more efficiently and effectively.